Hey guys, this is Isaac with Park My Share, and I'm going to help you get to your vehicle here at our LAX location.
Once you deboard, head to baggage claim to pick up your bags. After collecting your bags, head to level 2 for hotel and private parking. You can take the escalator up to level 2. Head out of the exit doors and look for the red shuttle stop on the curb that says Hotel and Private Parking Shuttle. Look for the yellow and black polka dotted shuttle bus that says Century. It is very important that you only board the Century shuttle and no other shuttle. After you deboard the shuttle, follow the Park My Share blue signage to get to the next door building where the Park My Share facility is located. Look for your host messages and find the QR code link, which will give you access to the front lobby door. Once you get access to the lobby, head up to the elevator and look for your host instructions. Your vehicle is either on P3 or P4. If your vehicle is on P3, look for the column letter and space number that your vehicle is in. If your vehicle is on P4, look for the reserved area that your vehicle is in. Once you get to your vehicle, read your host instructions for access to the car and head out to the exit. The gate will automatically lift for you by reading the ABI tag on the windshield. If you have any issues exiting the facility, you can use the intercom system to get connected to a Park My Share member. Thanks for taking a Park My Share trip.